In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a free Xero trial and set up your account. By the end, you'll have your trial up and running and be ready to enter your business details with confidence. We'll keep things simple and make sure each step is clear and secure. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox will work well. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so pages load quickly and nothing times out while you're creating your account. Next, head to the official Xero website by typing xero.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Before you proceed, double-check that the address is correct and that you see the secure padlock icon near the URL. This helps ensure you're on the legitimate site and protects your information. On the homepage, look for the option that says Try Xero for free and click it. You'll land on a simple sign-up form. Enter your email address carefully. This is where Xero will send your verification link, so make sure it's an inbox you can access immediately and that you haven't made any typos. Create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Avoid personal details or predictable words. It's worth writing it down in a secure place or using a trusted password manager so you don't forget it. Select your country or region from the list. This helps Xero tailor settings like currency, date formats, and local compliance features, which will make your setup smoother later on. When everything looks good, click Start Free Trial. You won't be charged for starting a trial, and you can explore features right away after completing verification. Now, check your email for a message from Xero. Open it and click the verification link to confirm your address. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. If the link has expired, simply request a new verification email from the sign-up page. After verifying, go back to Xero and log in with the email and password you just created. Follow any on-screen prompts. Once you're in, begin setting up your business details. Enter your business name exactly as you want it to appear, choose your industry if prompted, and confirm your country, time zone, and base currency. If asked, set your financial year start date and basic company structure. These choices help Xero organize your accounts correctly from day one. Save your changes and you're ready to proceed with your new Xero trial.